Good morning, everyone. This is Dre Rollers right here. And today, we're going to enjoy this beautiful day that's out here. And we're going to do some stuff pigeon related over here, man. Because, yo, it's been cold every day. I haven't cleaned the coop all the time like I normally do. So today, we're going to do a little bit of cleaning. We're going to do some, we're going to put some of these things, let me show you. Got something to show you. See that? We're going to put these up. We're going to do some of that stuff. So we got a lot of things to do today, which I like it. I like the nice day we're having. I'm going to put on my mask. Yes, sir. I'm gonna put my mask on. I got my dog Shorty. Man, Shorty Kane. It's a Shorty. Shorty's a big, tough girl. And my other Shorty over here, my other dog is Candy. Come here, Candy. Come here. Come here. Let's show you everybody who's Candy. Oh, Candy's such a big girl. She's got her jacket on. Oh yeah, she's doing great. So homemade dog coat. So today we're gonna clean some shelves. We're gonna talk about pigeons. We're gonna see what's going on in here. All those things. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna take the water can out. Get it out. Oh yeah. Oh, all right. We knocked something down. That's what that was. All right. All right, that's done. What a beautiful day. Woo. Yo, it's like 30 degrees outside, but since I'm in the sun, it feels like I'm 45. I don't know, but it sure is nice out here. Very nice. So let's clean up. Side. And then we have this. Look at these birds, go! Get out. That's easy peasy. Because I don't want to step on a lot of crap, so that's why I scrape the floor first. That way I don't step all over it when I go in. Just like that. I got this thing cleaned up. Alright. Take one of these. What a beautiful beautiful day. Woo! Throw it in this garbage can. I'm going to throw it in the garbage. Yes, sir. That's where we go. Got that side clean. Now we're going to go to this side. Then we're going to look at the birds, because some of these birds need a cleaning too. Really? Wow, it's so nice out here. I feel like taking this jacket off. Yeah. Look at that. I'm taking this one off. Who knew? Oh yeah. Take this one off. Oh yeah. Nice day. Yeah. I'm gonna clean this side here. Clean that side. Then we're going to look at the birds fast, because some of these birds need to go inside there and clean the coop. Put this over here. This is a fast cleanup, man, because this coop is not that dirty. I cleaned it already a few days ago. Yeah. There you go. Use our big scraper. Just like that, I'm done. Now I'm gonna bring it to me. That fast. Here it is fast. popping over here. All right. The size of it. Not that much. All right now. Take this side. One of the most important things for pigeon health, no, not pigeon, sorry, I said that wrong. One of the most important things for pigeon health is having them a clean loft. Pigeons do better in a clean loft than in a dirty loft. We'll give you a reason. Okay, you see the street birds out on the street? You ever see a dirty street bird? Unless he rolls himself in some oil, they usually stay clean. Because wherever they live, they don't live on top of a bunch of poop. That's for real. They live in a clean environment because they're very clean. They take baths and everything. So we have to give them we have to simulate the same environment. Oh yeah. Give them a clean loft. And we clean the shelves next. Pretty soon you guys are going to be in the coop with me. We'll take you guys inside the loft and we're going to clean the shelves. Then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to put the coop dressing down later. All right, we're done here. Now, what we're going to do next, we're going to take this inside. Yeah, this is getting heavy already. So we're going to take it out, put a new one in. That's nice. We give him a happy, clean coop. We're gonna put some floor dressing on it. And then we're gonna put those things that I was telling you about. All right, I gotta take the gloves off. All right, let's go scrape some. You guys are coming in with me now. And let's take out. Bring this in here. Put this inside. This right here. All right, you guys are gonna come right inside here. Yes, sir. We're almost ready to do our step work in here.